These are Georgia Mud Dog boots.
There's been a problem with these boots where the stitching along the boot comes off before you wear out the boot. But Joshua here has discovered that this glue right here, it's called shoe goo, can be applied over. I did this probably a year ago. Apply the glue over the stitching where yours would wear out is along that stitching from rubbing up against something. I actually climb trees for a living, and mine always comes apart right here where I've worn the glue off. But I've had these for probably 2 years, and you can see the bottom is wearing out. But this time, the top is still good on both of my boots. What happens with these boots, and a lot of people buy them and get upset because the stitching comes out and then the leather pops up and there's a hole in the boot. But Joshua here discovered that he can put shoe goo along that stitching and let it dry for a couple of days and then start using the boots, and it will last much longer. That's our tip for the day. Right, Joshua?
Yes.
And it works, doesn't it?
And we'll